Today, I want to bring you along with us to a place called WuLai, up in the mountains of New Taipei City's Xingdian district in Taiwan. Our main focus of this trip was to see the WuLai Waterfall. But to our disappointment, the waterfall didn't look like a waterfall at all, due to Taiwan currently having another drought. During the weekends, the observation deck across the waterfall is blocked off. It's pedestrian only and super crowded the closer you get to the front of the waterfall. So we made a U-turn and decided to see what else was there. As we were riding, I saw a cute cable cart up on the ledge of the mountain. The cable cart belongs to Yunxian Amusement Park. It used to be a crowded spot in northern Taiwan way before the Malcolm cable cart was built. Now, the popularity for its location has died down, sadly. It's such a beautiful place, so tranquil and relaxing. As we were going up the mountain, we saw that there were a lot of hot spring resorts up there. Come to think of it, Taiwan sure has a lot of hot spring resorts. And they're usually up on the mountains. Interesting. If we ever get a chance to, we'd love to take you along and introduce you to the hot spring resorts Taiwan has. So, when you're planning your Taiwan trip next time around, you can add hot springs as one of the places you visit.
Yeah, it's shaking a little bit. 没有人，所以 it's okay. Oh, look at how clear the water is. Look at that. Ooh. Look at the mountain. Look at the PA.
When we were walking toward the bridge, I noticed some Taiwan Aboriginal carvings on the bridge ends. There's also wall murals and statues alongside the roads. I kept calling this clan the Yame clan, even though PA kept correcting me and telling me that this is the Taya clan. But in my defense, Taiwan has a lot of different clans. I learned the different clans' names back in school, but my memory is a little fuzzy. But I eventually got the names right. The name. Yeah, right as I am recording this voiceover part for the video. But I got it right. Taya clan.
They have a lot of Hello, poodle. Hello, poodle. Goodbye, poodle. I want to go down there. Why?
Too high, okay?
可惜. Okay, let's go back. Because somebody's got, I don't know why, there's random rash.
哇，原来走这么远。
哇哦！
我们刚刚连这个都瀑布，哎，有，我们刚刚有到这个瀑布。后面还有好多瀑布，1、2、3，公共瀑布。
公共。
然后再来就是到什么的水坝。